the charts since 2.2. No matter where I am, on the go, in the car, I'm always on the grind and earning my stars. I've been a GD Chad since I was a wee lad. First bringing the bass and now bringing the bars.
E to the V to the dub, that's me. I'm so tight with Robbie gave me 2.3. You have more hair, but I have more demons, and I keep my cool while you can't stop screaming. 1 mil subs on my YouTube, brother. One of them's your sister and another is your mother. My buddies always ask if they wanna collab. That's it, I'm out to the receiver.
All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up.
Yo, slow down, cause the king's in town. You gonna trip on that spike when you see my crown. Not just better than you at the geometry dash, but the piano dance pad and even touching the grass. When I'm slaying the demons, I unlock my flow. The chat goes crazy and they all spam go. You're beating the game, you're on top of the world until I hit a backflip and I steal your girl.
They say GD's just a game, but it's how I get my dough. You better hide your coins and don't overdo the glow. You call yourself a pro, but you play on your phone. I spray bars on your girl, that's why they call me Cologne. I'm a first-rate dasher, every vid is feature length. My dedication's epic and my knowledge is my strength. I've been hella legendary since the game was in my hands. Now my mythical tales are told across the dashland.
All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up. All GD players, put your hands up.
When it comes to dash music, I am #1. Waterflame, Tamanite, you guys are done. When a level drops and you hear a fat beat, then you know it must be boomkity bringing the heat.
GD players, put your hands up. All the GD players, put your hands up. All the GD players, put your hands up. All the GD players, put your hands up.